Let's create a nice zoom transition, friends. Make sure that you have your two clips on your timeline. And then what I like to do is go right in the middle, click on Effects, go to the Effects in the Effects library, and then smash an adjustment clip right on it. Put it in the middle. And what I'm doing is I'm going to make this way shorter. And from the middle, I go 8 frames to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the middle. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. You can do more or less. Just what you like. I like 8 the most. Now I'm selecting the adjustment clip, go to Effects, open FX, and here I search for the zoom blur and drop it on the adjustment clip. In the video transitions, I grab a cross dissolve, throw it on the clips, and make it as small as I can, just to the bare minimum. I select the adjustment clip, and in the inspector I make sure here in the transform I'm in the middle of it, and I click on a keyframe so that all the keyframes are red now. So you have a keyframe for every little aspect, but we are just working with the zoom. In the middle I'm going to make it 2. Yeah, I think 2 is more than enough. Then I'm going to the beginning of the adjustment clip, and here I double click on the zoom. Then it makes automatically a new keyframe. So it's back to basic. And then I'm going to the end of the adjustment clip and do the same thing. Double click on zoom, so it makes me a keyframe for that as well. Now let's have a first look. It's quite okay, but let's make it a little bit easier. Let's retime the curve. Click on the waveform here. And here you have now the keyframes. Click on the first one, and then I make a little bit of a curve here, and then I'm choosing the second one and use this curve, so it will then make it more easy when we look at our transition. So the next step is that we go on our adjustment clip, and then in Effects we take care of our zoom blur. And in our zoom blur we go with the zoom amount. We make it higher. I always make sure that I'm right in the middle here, because we set keyframes again. We set here a keyframe for our middle position, and then I'm going all the way up to 1000 up, because I think that's the best thing. And then again, going to the start of the adjustment clip, double click on the zoom amount so it goes to the default. And at the end of the adjustment clip, I'm doing the same thing so that I have a keyframe for that as well. And now let's look at in the full glory and full screen. And that's our zoom transition. Have fun experimenting with it and have a great day. Goodbye.